How to make a stroller diaper cake. Are you going to be a guest at a baby shower soon? Still wondering what gift to take along? Worry no more, stroller diaper cake will do. Stroller diaper cakes are made from brand new diapers. They can be used by the expectant parent when the little one is born. But be sure they will love it before you make one. You can use other items to decorate the stroller diaper cake like ribbons, fabric, and so on. Gift items of your choice like baby bibs, towels, hair clips, and so on can also be added. In addition, you can personalize the stroller diaper cake to the baby's sex, if you have this information. If you don't, a basic stroller diaper cake style can fit perfectly well with any sex. With this simple DIY tips, you can make your own stroller diaper cake. Here are the items you will need. 2 to 5 packs of size 1 diapers. 2 to 3 rolls of elastic. 2 shoe boxes. Rubber bands. Ribbon or tapes. 2 paper towel tubes. 2 washcloths optional. Blankets. Hot glue or tapes. Scissors. Fabric optional. Other baby items like toys, baby clothes, bottles, pacifiers, and so on. Follow these steps to design the different components of the stroller diaper cake. The wheels. 1. Wrap 6 to 8 diapers together neatly to give a uniform shape. 2. Use big rubber bands to hold them tightly together to make the wheels stout and firm. The wheels must be round and not flat. 3. Wrap the rubber bands with ribbons or tapes to make your work neat. Then seal their ends with hot glue. 4. Repeat the above steps to make the remaining 3 wheels. Ensure that the wheel is tightly packed. There should be a hole in between each wheel where the axles will be attached. Axles for the wheels. 1. Wrap each paper towel's tubes with a washcloth or fabric. 2. Consider putting little gifts like baby bath soap, baby lotion, and so on inside the tubes at the 2 ends. If you don't have gifts, use wrapped diapers instead. 3. Place one end of the paper towel axle between the middle of one wheel. Then the other end between the middle of the corresponding wheel side by side. 4. Do the same with the remaining 2 wheels. The base 1. Remove the lids of the shoe boxes. 2. Cut off an edge of one of the boxes. 3. Put the trimmed shoebox in the untrimmed shoebox. Let it stand vertically to form an L shape. This becomes the canopy for the stroller. 4. Glue the interiors of the box together to hold the boxes in place. 5. Fold some elastic loosely around the bottom box and glue its ends to hold it in place. 6. Do the same for the vertical trimmed shoebox that's forming the canopy and allow it to dry. 7. Roll a diaper inwards neatly and tightly. Then wrap it with a rubber band to make it firm. 8. Gently put the wrapped diaper underneath the elastic around the bottom box. 9. Roll more diapers and keep filling under the elastic until it covers the entire length and breadth of the bottom box. 10. Following the same method, place more diapers at the sides and top of the canopy until the entire area is covered. 11. Wrap patterned ribbons or fabric around the bottom box and the canopy to cover the elastic. 13. Then place a well-folded blanket inside the box and another underneath the canopy to design the pillow. The final touches. This is where creativity comes in. Decorate the stroller with anything you deem fit for a baby shower or in line with the baby shower theme. You can engrave the baby's name on a paper and stick on the sides, back or front of the stroller. Another option is to add balloons and small plastic baby bottles used for decoration in a baby shower. Attach the base of the stroller to the wheels using hot glue, ensuring that the folded edges are lying side by side. Also make sure that all blankets and ribbons are neatly tucked in or glued to the wheels. If you have other gift items for the baby, put them inside the stroller. That's it. Your stroller diaper cake is ready. Additional notes. 1. When gluing any components to the stroller diaper cake, it's advisable you add glue to the fabric instead of gluing directly to the shoe box. This way, when you look inside the box, all you will see is a beautiful fabric or interior rather than an ugly glued point. 2. The size of the diaper cakes and items needed is not constant, it depends on your preference. This determines the number of diapers and other materials you will need. 3. If you know the sex of the little one, decorate as such. This adds more meaning to the stroller diaper cake. Finally, take a picture of your finished work before taking it to the baby shower. This is important since items used in a typical stroller diaper cake can be used. The picture can be kept in the baby's photo album. If you've enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell so you'll know once we post a new video. Also, drop a comment so we can know your thoughts. Don't forget to check the description below for more details. And visit our site, zimstrollers.com for more awesome stroller content like this.